Hey everyone, we are here today with a review of a new bait from IJO Plastics. So I was actually using this the other day, so I have this kind of set up, and I cut my line because I was leaving a trip and I wanted to actually show you guys. I'm on a new body of water today, but considering still using this. So what we have here is the IJO Plastics Pannie Candy. Now this is brand new and it is meant to imitate a wiggler. So what you see here, mine's a little bit sticking together because I used it a lot yesterday, but it really has this triple tail, and then certainly the action of all of these legs, and I have another one here actually that I should be showing you as well. Because this one is a fresh bait, but the cool thing about that is that there really is not a huge difference. Get this one to slow down a little bit. There's really not a huge difference between the two baits here. Now, why is that important to me? A few things. First of all, you can see that even though it has super soft plastic, the actual action of the bait did not change despite all the bites that I got. So that was a really cool thing that, no matter how beat up this was getting, the action was still staying really good. The other thing that's really nice is that not many of the legs have gone missing. So a lot of times you'll see a bait like this and you'll see like all of these little legs, and the first thing that happens is that you get a bite from, a tiny little panfish, or even just like a little minnow if you're along the weeds or whatever. But I was finding that I was not losing many legs, and so I have caught crappie, I caught bluegill, a lot of panfish that night. But most of all, trolling those weeds, we were getting a lot of those minnows, the bass, the perch, and all those little minnows were just pecking on the bait. If you're using live bait, a lot of times that gets picked off right away, but even a lot of times using plastics, that'll get picked off pretty quick if the plastic is too soft. So again, this IJO Plastics Pannie Candy, it has that really great soft plastic, but really that great durability. I have this here in the color the Zax Fire and Ice. It has certainly the white body and then a little bit of red glitter, so I'm not sure how well that's coming across in the actual video. But again, this would be a really, really great bait if you are jigging because of the action of that wiggler tail. But again, I was trolling it, and so really a bait that you can do a lot of different things with. It is just over an inch, so it is really great finesse fishing. Like I said, the trolling or the jigging or whatever you're doing with it. I'm definitely going to be using it in ice this year also. And then, to get a hold of Kevin Clancy at IJO Plastics, you get 6 of them in a pack for $2, and you can choose the color that you like. So, there's a huge range of colors out there, but come and check them out. IJO Plastics Pannie Candy.